Fauna are animals live by fighting for life. Tiger is very dangerous animals. This animal is very strong. Giraffe is said to be the largest animals. The animal looks like a big tree and its throat is very. Elephant is a big and strong animal in the animal world. This animal can break big tree with its strong elephant. Leopard is very dangerous animal, and this animal is very fierce. Giraffe is one of the most beautiful animals in the animals world. This animal has a calm nature. Birds, many beautiful birds can be seen in the birds fauna.